How to remove margins in Word. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can remove margins in Word. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to remove margins from your Word document, you need to open up your Word document first of all in your application either, or go to your browser. I'm using a browser for now. After that is done, just open up your document. As I said, after opening up your document, you just need to head over to the layout section. After going there, just click on margins. After clicking on margins, you'll be able to find a bunch of options here. You're just gonna select custom margins. Just click on it. And then here you can see top, left, right, bottom. You're just gonna make each of the value of top, left, right, and bottom into 0. Just type in 0 instead of every value there, and your margin should be removed. Just type in 0, 0, 0, 0 in each of them. After that, simply click on save, and your margin should be removed from your Word document very easily. So therefore, just follow that method in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.